This is actually a recipe on a mission. We love pancakes and we love apples, and I put the two things together, but it's so much more than that. All of these ingredients work together to help fill you up, to satisfy cravings, to give you apple deliciousness, but also to help lower your cholesterol.
Ready for joy. I'm ready for joy. Are you ready for joy? I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready for joy.
We love pancakes, but traditional pancakes, just like these, it's basically a pile of starch. And how do we eat them? With a lot of sugary syrup on top. So they taste really delicious going down, but afterwards, not so much. You're sort of left feeling fatigued and bloated and not so great. In my house, we love pancakes. My husband, my kids, my sister, my nieces, my nephews, everybody loves pancakes. And a lot of times we'll have breakfast for dinner. So I'm always looking for interesting and healthified ways to sort of amp up the goodness of pancakes. I love experimenting, and I have so many recipes with pancakes using bananas, using cottage cheese, using quinoa, using sweet potato, like it's endless. At the same time, we love to go apple picking.
Say hi, guys!
Hi.
As soon as the weather drops, we hit the Berkshires and we do a lot of apple picking, and we come home with bundles and bundles of apples. It was only a matter of time before I took the pancakes and the apples and I concocted something really yummy. I start with half a cup of quick oats, which add a lot of fiber and a little bit of protein. Then 2 teaspoons of filling chia seeds. Chia seeds are like nutrition sprinkles. They sort of up the health quotient of anything that you put them into. They have fiber, they have omega-3s, they have protein. A half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 egg whites. Now, the reason I'm using egg whites is because it allows me to automatically trim the calories while maintaining the protein. And I'm not afraid of whole eggs, so if you prefer, you can actually add 2 whole eggs. It's really important to start your day with protein and fiber, because that's sort of the dynamic duo that will boost your energy, that's gonna level your blood sugars, that's gonna keep you feeling full and energized during your morning routine. And last, the star of our show, an apple. You can use whatever apple you want. I'm using a Gala. I designed this recipe to actually help lower cholesterol. So when we look at all the different components, apples have pectin, which is within the skin, which helps to lower bad cholesterol. Apples are the ultimate snack because they're portion controlled. Each apple is just about 80 calories. It's got a lot of filling fiber, and it takes a while to eat, and it fills you up. Now I'm going to add this right into the batter. And we're going to stir it up. So you really want to make sure that everything is thoroughly combined and all those egg whites are mixed through. So here's another great trick. Instead of pouring oil straight from the bottle, I'm going to use a spray so you get away with using just a little bit. Now, I'm going to spoon my thick batter right onto the griddle. And you're going to cook them about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they're golden brown. Give the tops a nice mist also, so that when you flip them, they don't stick. And this entire thing is 1 portion. So you can eat all of these pancakes and feel really good about it. It could be a snack in the afternoon, like a great 3 p.m. pick-me-up, and it certainly is a big hit for dinner in my house. The coolest part about this recipe is the gigantic portion. As you see, my stack is the same size as a typical diner-style starchy flapjacks, but theirs is more than 1,000 calories and doesn't offer any nutrition whatsoever. That is 1 filling portion, and if you want, you can top it with a teaspoon of maple syrup. And I usually top it with a little bit of extra cinnamon, vanilla yogurt, and some more apples on top. How good does that look? This is a great recipe for fall, but really anytime you're craving pancakes. Hungry for more? To see more videos just like this one, click right here. And to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click right here.